Alright, what up? It's your boy Range here to do some unboxings and reviews and stuff. First off, let me go ahead and tell you about this channel. Basically, this channel is going to be full of anything. It's an 18 and up channel because it will cover everything. I'll let you find out what that entails in due time, but I got some pickups on the way, some clothes coming in. I do a review of that and shit. I'm always getting stuff, so I figure why not just, document it, I guess. But like I said, this channel gonna be full of everything, so I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm gonna just be about it. So anyways, we got Jacoji here, your personal jeweler. I think it's Brenton, something like that. Anyways, he sells some jewelry. I just found out about him on YouTube, his channel. It seemed pretty legit. Watched a couple reviews. Seemed real nice, real shiny and quality. But all right, let's get into it. So here's the box, nice quality box. And I am gonna be comparing it to some GLD. I'm not gonna really go into too much of an unboxing on this, but just to show you, because there are rope chains, and along with this one, which is just a random rope chain I got. But anyway, so you got the Jacoji box, same slide out style, very nice quality. Got the logo on the front. Comes with the velvet bag, very nice, very nice. Unlike the GLD, comes with the like a faux leather bag or whatever. So anyway, you got that. Usually this is on the top. I've had this for a couple days. Hope you can see that. If not, I'll fix it. But it tells you it's rose gold, 3.5 millimeter, 22 inches. 22.4 grams. I think that's incorrect though. It's 14 karat. Yep. All right. Sipping on something. Some Moscato. You know what I'm saying? You niggas not in that wine, man. Y'all gotta get hit, man. Wine is where it's at. But anyways, comes in this nice thick bag. All right. Actually, you know what? We gonna say that. We gonna say that one. Let's start off with this, actually. This one, this is a random chain. I believe this is solid, or no, I'm sorry, hollow though. I believe it's hollow, not plated, but hollow. Because it does have the look to it, but it's just really light. I'll show you when I weigh it. Man, I'll show you some examples. This right here, in my opinion, it's a little too big for everyday wear, but this is a 4 millimeter rope chain. Gold GOD uses 18 gold plated, and it's gold plated, not solid. I'm not sure if that's why it's more yellow because it's 18 karat. I would be guessing so, but it still looks kind of weird in my opinion. They come in these nice little bags though too. And then this is one I wear all the time. It was a 2 millimeter, and you can see there's basically no shine on this at all anymore. They all look like this at first, but this one has no more shine. It's due to the wear and tear, and you can really tell on the clasp. I don't know if you can see that. It's real worn off on that. Yeah. And then we got this right here. This is a solid gold 14 karat 3.5 from Jacoji. You see that? Very nice, very shiny, very heavy. Show you a side by side of that. There's some light going on, man. You can just see this is the what I believe is like a 2.5 maybe even a 3. But these 3 are not diamond cut. I had to find that out. This one's diamond cut, which is also one of the reasons why it shines so hard. You can see this one. A lot of yellow, real yellow gold. This one is faded, if you can tell. Very faded. And then you got that, just the water. I know you can see that. It's beautiful. All right. Let me see what's up with this. Here, I'll actually show you guys again, like that. You can see how it's shining. I don't know if you can tell, this light is a weird color. Anyways. See that? That's in grams. All right, cool. So there we go. Take a sip. St. Patrick's Day yesterday, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was chilling. I had my own type of fun, but we ain't gonna talk about that. So this one, which I believe is hollow, is 6.2. Okay, now keep that. Now this is thicker than this. And this is plated. 6.2 for this, and I think this is real gold. I'm pretty sure maybe 10 karat though. Hollow though, if anything, very light because look, 6.2 basic, same thing, and that's ridiculous. Definitely something going on there. You can see how faded. Now this one, sorry about that. Now this one, 22.7 grams. Okay, and we getting heavy, but again, also plated. Got some nice weight to it though, but yeah, we got the Jacoji piece. It's 22.3 now. It said 22.4 grams, but he said the diamond cut, I think it might lose some grams or something. It's fine, I'm not tripping to be honest. But what's that? 22.3. That is 21. So yeah, whatever. Yeah, but this is real nice, man. I think it got me addicted. I'm trying to go back, get a couple other pieces and stuff like that. But I've been wearing this every day. I've had this for about 3-4 days. Haven't taken it off except when I shower and put like lotions and stuff on. But you might not even really have to. I mean, it's solid. I don't think any of that'll hurt it. Yeah, but it's real nice, man. Very nice. Let me get a shot for you. Yeah, it's hard to see, but just compared to like this, looks good. Looks good. Very yellow, like I said, but it's, I don't know. The diamond cut on this really sets it off. Diamond cut on this really sets it off. And then you got the I don't know if that's gonna focus in. There's a 14 karat stamp. Yeah, oh. 14 karat stamp on that. It's upside down. Whatever. Anyway, but it is what it is. Good shit. I fuck with it. Good looks, Jacoji, man. I definitely fuck with your shit. Definitely will be back. Solid jewelry only, man. That's all I'm fucking with now. Like I said, I will be doing some pickups. I got some more clothes coming in a couple days, actually. Some stuff I won't say. Nothing crazy, but some nice new pickups for the upcoming months. Hopefully it get hotter. I'm out here in Michigan. The weather's pretty fucked, but hey, it is what it is, man. Also, I got some other stuff, man. I got this watch, a Simply Carbon Fiber watch, you know what I'm saying? It's carbon fiber from this company. I can do a review on that. I've had this for a minute. It's pretty nice, real leather strap. But anyways, I'll hit you guys, man, or you hit me, or whatever, man. If you got any requests, let me know. But like I said, it's your boy Range. Always doing my thing, always spinning the change. So go ahead, fuck with me, hit the like button, tell everybody you know, all that other stuff. Peace. Another thing I gotta add, and I'm sorry, man. These class on the Jacoji chain is hard to use. Maybe they're bigger on bigger chains, but this one's really hard to. I mean, you get used to it, but they just have bigger clasp, easier to open and close. So that's one thing. Besides that, I think Jacoby just needs to get a couple more pendants, and everything will be straight, man. I fuck with him though, man. Definitely fuck with you.